Hello everyone, my name is Steven. In this video, I'll show you how to import your own products into Poshier using a CSV file so you don't have to enter the data manually. When you create a product in Poshier, you'll see a window where you can input your product information. Instead of doing this manually, you can prepare a CSV file with the information you already have and import it directly into Poshier. A CSV file is a spreadsheet file that you can create using any spreadsheet program, like Excel or Numbers. Here's a sample CSV file. In the header, we accept the following fields: name, code, barcode, group, brand, cost, price, photo URL, and notes. Please note that the photo URL should contain the URL endpoint to the image file, but you can leave it blank if you prefer. These fields correspond to the fields in Poshier as shown. Now let's go to the Catalog section. From the menu, select the Import option. You can actually download a sample CSV file to work with your own data. When you're ready, click Open, navigate to your file, and select it. Double-check the content, and then click Import to start the process. And that's how you import your products into Poshier. This feature is especially useful if you're transitioning from another POS solution. If you enjoyed today's video, please download Poshier POS from the App Store and give it a try. See you in the next video. Goodbye.